In this video you will learn how to install and configure a wallet, how to buy CDP, and how to start your pension. On BlockWallet.io, follow the instructions and install the browser extension. You need to pin this so that it's appearing above so that you can always find it. Then you click Get Started, create a new account, and then you have to insert a password. The next step you will is a really important step. You get a list of words, and this is your seed phrase. I think 12 or 24 words, and you have to write them down and not share them with anyone. If you share them, you basically copy your keys and anyone else can have access, even without your password. It says ready to go. You can start using BlockWallet. You can use it by hitting this button. Okay. Now it asks you to make it the default browser wallet. This is recommended to do, so hit next. Then you see here is my account. Then we go to the small cogwheel and to networks, and then add new network. We insert the number 369, and then you see that PulseChain pops up already. Okay, so we just add this. We can just hit save. The next thing we want to do is to move PulseChain up top, so you see all these networks, but we want that PulseChain is the first option, so we make it on top. If you have a hardware wallet, you can connect it and you don't use this account, but you will use your hardware wallet. Go to account, click on new account, and then connect hardware wallet. And in my case I have a ledger. What I do on the ledger itself is open the Ethereum app, continue, and then you will see it here. Only select the first one and then hit import. We need some PLS to transact on PulseChain, and then we can buy some CDP. Go to the website carpediempension.com, and then it already asks us to connect our wallet. Then we can click next and then hit connect. Then it will load all the data. This is where you will start and build your pension. But first we need to buy PLS. We can do that on the left. We will be redirected to a place where we can buy PLS. So that will give us about 2 million PLS. Then the recipient wallet address is us. On the top we just click and it will copy to clipboard, and we can paste it by Ctrl V, hit confirm. Here you have a few options. I will choose Visa and MasterCard. We have inserted the details, my credit card details, and then proceeded with the payment, and it's now pending on my card. Only once you need to make a verification. They are obligated to know who their customers are and verify them by ID. This is something you have to go through, and I will do this right now. So we are back, and they initially put the transaction on hold, but within 3 minutes they did a manual review, so that's really quick. Even in weekends, the verification itself took about 15 minutes, so you definitely need some time it should have gone through. We go to the BlockWallet and we don't see it here yet. What we can do is go to another network and then go back to PulseChain, and it should be here. You see it's saying a USD. If you want to change this, you can go to your settings, preferences, and local configuration. You see we lost a bit of euros, but that's totally okay because it just does cost a bit to exchange to PLS. That's just how it works. We go back to the website and click on Buy CDP. Then we go to this app, click on Connect Wallet, and then click on Browser Wallet, and then it asks you to connect the wallet. Click on the little fox icon here and click this box, so it will give us a nice logo for our token, and add asset. Click on max and we want a bit lower, so perhaps like this. We have then about 200,000 PLS to transact in the future with. This should be enough, so that's really great. And then we hit swap and confirm swap. Here you see the transaction fee is 93 PLS. You must always swap a little bit less because you need some PLS for transactions. Now transaction submitted, and shortly it will be going through. So the transaction went through. You will now see here on the balance you see that I have 349,000 CDP, and it shows also in my wallet on the assets, and there you'll see the CDP. We already had connected our wallet here. If we click max, you see that it's prompting us to deposit all the CDP we just purchased. This will give us shares, the same amount as we deposit, and these shares will generate a payout of currently 7.5% a year. This will go down probably also when we make this deposit. It will go down a bit to a minimum of 3.32% a year. So let's deposit. So we have clicked max and then approve deposit. Then we click agree and continue. Then our wallet asks us to approve the allowance. We check that is this the same or a bit higher. That's okay. So once this transaction is completed, it can take a while, then the wallet will pop up again and we have to deposit it. Okay, so it's confirmed. It took a few minutes. And now we wait a bit and then it should say current shares here. Alright, so it's done. This one took also a few minutes. And now after each day we will see payout here. And you have two options. You can redeposit or claim. If you deposit every month, for example, deposit 10% of your monthly income, and then you come here every month and then you deposit, you go the whole process of buying, and when you are already doing that, you can just hit the button redeposit and then you amplify the payout for the future. Also make sure to share your referral link. I will share mine in the description, because when you do this, you will get 10% of your referral shares when they deposit. It doesn't mean that they will get less, but you will earn pension shares. And these pension shares will generate a permanent payout. For further questions, you can visit our Telegram and Discord. It's also in the description of this video, but you can also find it on the website here. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you and that you can now start your own personal pension.